Welcome to Gadgets and Auto. So let's start. Fireboltt Talk Ultra was launched in India at Rs 1,999 sold by Flipkart. It features 1.39-inch HD display with Bluetooth calling and voice assistant. Noise Buds Compact was launched in India at Rs 1,299 sold by Flipkart. It features HyperSync Bluetooth version 5.3 up to 45 hours of playtime, IPX5 water resistance and voice assistant. Bmw X360 2-in-1 laptop with 15.6-inch OLED Touch Display was launched in India at Rs 1,07,999 sold via HP.com. Its configuration are 12th generation Core i7 processor, Windows 11 Home, 512GB SSD, 16GB RAM. Nokia T21 Tab was launched in India at Rs 16,999 sold via Nokia.com. It features 10.36-inch Nokia display and up to 3 days of battery life. Tecno Phantom X2 Pro 5G was launched in India at Rs 49,999 sold via Amazon. 412GB RAM plus 256GB version. The phone is having a 6.8-inch FHD plus double AMOLED curved display powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9000 series 4nm processor, 50MB plus 50MB plus 13MB triple camera and packs, 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charger. Bmw X1 was launched in India at Rs 45.9 lakh ex-showroom. Bentley Bentayga EWB launched in India at Rs 6 crore ex-showroom. Mahindra Bolero Neo was launched in India at Rs 9.5 lakh ex-showroom. Simple Energy inaugurates its first manufacturing plant at Shoolagiri, Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, share and subscribe.